Hello everyone, today's video is about VBA Select Case learning. So are you still using 10 different if statements in your VBA code? There's a much cleaner and faster way, and yes, that's select case statement. It can make your code easier to read and maintain. This is the code for nested if, and you can see there are so many if else, if else, if else. And if we replace it with select code, then you can see it become much cleaner and much understandable. So what's the syntax of select case? Let's see. It's select case expression, case value 1. In that case, code to be executed if expression is equals to value 1. Case value 2. Code to be executed if expression is value 2. And also there is an else statement where code to be executed if no case matches. So there is a class in which we have given some grades A, B, C, D and F, and for every grade there is a message. Like for A it's excellent, B very good, C good, D you passed, and F is for better luck next time. So we will give the grade in range A1 and a pop-up message. A message box will come with these statements. So let's start with the code. Sub student grade and we will define the grade as string and our grade value to be taken from range A1. U case is for upper range, means if someone types A in small case, then also it will consider it in U case. It will convert in U case. So range A1 dot value. Okay, so grade is the value in range A1 converted in uppercase. So let's start our select case and we will say U case grade, and here we will say case A, message box excellent, case B message box very good, case C message box good, case D message box you passed, and case F better luck next time. And if someone types anything other than these values, then in this case we have case else and the message box will come saying invalid grade. So here it is, and we will end this select. So we have written our code and let's run it to see if it is working or not. So before that we will assign some grade over here, code, and see if there is any error. Excellent. So our code is working. Let's change it to B and run this code. It's saying very good. Let's type something else other than these. Let's type H. So we get invalid grade. Select case checks one value against multiple possible options and execute the matching block of code. It's like giving Excel a list of choices. Here we are giving the choices as A, B, C, D, F and else. So it is checking if the value is A or B or C or D or F, and if it is not matching with any of them, it will come to the last case, which is case else, and it will give us the invalid grade. Case to select case provide you a cleaner code, easy to edit and better readability. So this was all about select case, and hope you find this video helpful. If so, do subscribe to the channel, and thank you so much for watching this video.